All right, now Jacob Zuma's corruption trial is likely to be postponed again today. Let's get some analysis from legal expert Melusi Xulu from Donda Attorneys. Melusi, good morning and thank you very much for your time. I mean, many would say it's the president's right to appeal all the way to the Constitutional Court, but what are the prospects of success?
Good morning to you, Mpondo, and the viewers at home. Firstly, the main reason why he's challenging the matter that was in High Court is because he raised a special plea in terms of Section 106, subsection 1, paragraph H, that the prosecutor, Advocate Billy Downer, does not have a title to prosecute. It's due to many issues that he raised before about his conflict of interest in the matter and the way he dealt with the matter historically. We know this is a matter coming back from 2008. So there's a lot of history on it that he's raising on his papers. So we will see in Constitutional Court if they will allow that. But for today, obviously, the matter will not proceed because they have to consider that application in Constitutional Court before it comes back to the High Court if the Constitutional Court does not go with his application.
Mm-hmm. And then what dynamic does the aspect of Advocate Billy Downer now being privately prosecuted add?
Yes, I think the private prosecution is mainly based on Section 41, subsection 6 of the National Prosecuting Act of 1998, which is saying no person that is a prosecutor may give information or documents or evidence to any other party unless authorized by the director or someone superior to him. In this case, that is what the legal team of the former president is saying. So I believe, in a way, they are trying to say the prosecutor is tainted, so he can't proceed, whilst he's tainted in this way that they are alleging. So I think they are trying to bring a tactic to say this prosecutor may not proceed with the case. I once alluded this when I was talking to one of your colleagues, I believe it was Mr. Smelani, that I believe that should they win, and that is an if they win and the prosecutor is said to not have a title or he stated that Advocate Billy Downer must not proceed with the case, can they not say that the whole prosecution then is tainted with this case? But it will first depend if the prosecutor, Advocate Billy Downer, is removed, which is, we'll see if the Constitutional Court will allow that.
Mm-hmm. So clearly a lot is at stake here. But the other reality is that we're almost at the end of the year. Does it look to you like this matter is going to commence this year at the very least?
I do not think so. In December, there are measures that have been already set. So I'm looking at maybe March somewhere, but it's a case that the state and the state will want to prioritize. So it might be earlier, we will see. But we all know that this case is taking longer than anticipated, so it might not start anytime soon.